Hello YouTubers, you're welcome to Tech Solutions with Tom. And to all our returning subscribers, we want to say a very big thank you. Alright, and so if today is your first time coming across Tech Solutions with Tom, I want you to hit the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Okay, I'm waiting. All right, good. Today we are going to be looking at how to upscale your picture on the internet. As we all know that every one of us will like to take pictures, maybe during an event, and when you hang out with your friends and so on and so forth. But to your surprise, the pictures are not clear enough, they are not sharp, just like when you use an iPhone 13, 14 or 15 to take a picture. All right, in today's video we are going to look at how to upscale your picture, how to enhance your picture. And on this website I'm going to show you, guess what, you can do a whole lot of things on the website. Okay, and I don't want to bore you with my long words, so let's dive into the website and see how it is being done. All right, I want to go into my Google Chrome. All right, the name of the website, I'm going to put it on the comment section below in case you miss the spelling. I'll put it I'm going to pin it at the comment section, and also I will put that in the description below. Okay, so let's go. On your Google Chrome, you're going to type Cutout Pro. Okay, this is the website. I've been using it lately, so excuse me. So cutout.pro, then /photo-enhancer-sharpener-upscaler/upload. I'm going to pin that at the comment section and also put it at the description below. So okay, so let me press my enter key and let's wait for it to load. All right, so we are here. It's going to tell you this is the website. Let's just look at what they do here. We have the photo enhancer. This is where you're going to upload the photos. So let's look at some of the things you can do with this website. Okay, we have the AI remover and cutout tools. You see, you can remove unwanted objects. Now let's see something. Okay, if you don't want this ant to be there, you can just, yes, you see, you remove that. I don't want this lady to be showing, so you can, okay, you can just go through this website to explore. Look at this. You remove, with this website you can remove background from your video. Look at, whoa. All right, this is another one. Remove background from images. Wow, this is wonderful, like seriously. Now this is face cutout. Whoa, wow, that's nice. Okay, we have the AI generation. We have the explore more AI. This is video enhancer. Look at how this video is blurry, but with this website you can enhance your video, so just to make it look more professional. You get that? Okay, so look at photo enhancer. This is the one we're going to be making use of. Look at this one. Whoa, you got photo colorizer. Okay, you can change your photo from this color here to black and white. Whoa, that's nice. All right, cartoon selfie, passport, photo maker, and then also you can blur your background. Wow, I love this. Yeah, I don't need to go to my Photoshop trying to remove background. Gone are those days you do all those things. So let's move to this. So you click on upload image, and then you go to the location where the image is being saved or stored in your computer system or even on your phone. Now scroll down, look for where the picture is. So I'm going to look for a picture here. All right, I think I love this, so let me click open. Okay, so let's wait a little bit. Sorry, you are out of trial maximum. Okay, sorry, let's log in. I'm going to log in. I've tried it out for a couple of times today, so I'm going to log in. Okay, let's go back to the picture. So I pick this, open. So it's loading. So you just have to wait a little bit. So good. Okay, so it's loading, and boom, we have it here. So what you're going to do, you just click on download and it's going to download. So let's go and look at it. Whoa, I love this. So with this, you can just enhance your picture with this website. You can just go to the website and also try to enhance your picture, and then tell me what's your own experience. Excuse me, your own experience. You can just drop your comment on the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this website. All right, I think this is all I have for you for today, and if you have any question, please drop it at the comment section below, and I will respond to everybody. I'm going to respond to every questions on the comment section below. And please make sure that you click on the subscribe button, click like, share to your friends and family. I still remain your boy Tom. Thank you and bye.